Today we're going to replace the Negator spring on a Paslode IM65 Nailer. Remove the 2 screws from either side of the cap. Remove the 4 shoulder screws using the provided Allen key. You can now remove the cap. Disconnect the cylinder head by twisting. Disconnect the retaining ring by removing the screw with the provided Allen key. Remove the 2 screws, then the 4 holding the body together. Remove the front channel. Disconnect the follower body by unscrewing the screw holding it in place. Now you can remove the Negator spring and follower core. Simply unhook the Negator spring. Place the new spring into the left handle body. Place the follower back over the Negator spring. Secure the following body with the screw. Then clip the left handle body into the magazine and make sure the body of the nailer shuts firmly. Secure the 2 shoulder screws and then the 4 screws holding the body together. Fix the front channel back. Return the retaining ring and fix it in place with the screw. Secure the cylinder head. Connect the wires back into position. Place the cap back until flush. Secure with the 6 screws. That's how you replace the Negator spring on a Paslode IM65 Nailer. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.